What if I told you that your life changes the moment you change what you assume to be true? Not years from now, not even months from now, but instantly. Yes, that's the power of the law of assumption. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about the law of assumption. Once you assume it, you can have whatsoever you desire. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, before my kids and I moved into our house, the house where we live in right now, I didn't know how we were going to complete this house and move into it because I didn't have the money needed. But you know what I did? I applied the law of assumption as taught by Neville Goddard. Whatsoever you feel as real, you attract it into your life. So every night I had a desire, right, to complete our house and to move into the house with my kids. So every night I would assume that it is already done using my imagination. Before I go to bed every night, I would picture, because I already know the layout of the house. So I would assume that the house is completed. I would always picture myself, see myself moving from one room to the other, from the living room to the kitchen and the bedrooms. I always imagine myself moving through the house. I held on to that picture. I would feel the feeling of joy, excitement, happiness, because I have been able to complete our house and we've moved into it. So I would paint that picture, that scene in my mind and feel the feeling. And I persisted in it. It took a while. It didn't just happen overnight. It took a while. But at the end of the day, we were able to get the money needed to complete the house. We completed it and we moved in that same year where I had this imagination. Now, here's how you do it. First of all, have a desire. You know what you want. Make sure that it's a very strong desire, something you want badly. Secondly, you assume it. You assume that you've already got your desire. And then feel the feeling. When you have that desire, how would you feel? Would it bring you happiness? Would it make you happy? Would you be excited? All those feelings, you feel it. The emotions that will come with achieving that desire. And then persist in it. Now, that's how to apply the law of assumption. You assume that you already have that which your heart desires. You feel the emotion and you persist in it. Stop wishing, stop waiting. Assume you already have that which your heart desires. Stick with it and you will certainly have it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.